Hi friends, in this class we are going to a topic simplification part 4 questions and answers. In this session I have included some of the important questions which is always repeating in our exams. So our first question is 45% of 300 plus square root of question mark. The area we have to find is equal to 56% of 750 minus 10% of 350. So your options are option A 560, option B 62,500, option C 430, option D 42,900 and option E none of this. Your time starts. Your time finish. Your answer is option B, which is 62,500. Now solution 45% of 300 plus square root of, instead of question mark we can keep x there, is equal to 56% of 750 minus 10% of 350. So we can write it as 135 plus square root of x is equal to 420 minus 35, which is equal to square root of x is equal to 250. So x is equal to 62,500. Here option B is our answer, 62,500. Now second question. 5,670 divided by, in bracket, 28 multiplied by 13.5. Here we have to use the board mass. So our options are option A 25, option B 35, option C 15, option D 45 and option E none of this. Your time starts. Time finish. The answer is option C, which is 15. Now solution. As per board mass, first we have to open the bracket. So once we open the bracket, we can get 378. So 5,670 divided by 378 is equal to 15, which is option C. Now third question. 34.99 multiplied by 3.04 plus 80.03 percentage of 40.06 minus 12.977 into 1.907 plus question mark is equal to 45.06 into 3.009. Here we have to find the question mark area. Your options are option A 22, option B 32, option C 16, option D 24, option E 14. Your time starts. Your time finish. The answer is option D, which is 24. Now solution. 34.99 into 3.04 plus 80.03 percentage of 40.06 minus 12.977 into 1.907 plus question mark is equal to 45.06 into 3.009. The next step we can write as 35 into 3 plus 80 divided by 100 into 40 minus 13 into 2 plus question mark is equal to 45 into 3. Next step, 105 plus 32 minus 26 plus question mark is equal to 135. So we can write as 24. So 24 is option D. Now fourth question. Square root of 3,970 divided by 2.998 plus 5.098 multiplied by 268.99 plus 433.908 is equal to question mark. We have to find the question mark area. Our options are option A 1800, option B 1600, option C 1700, option D 2300 and option E 2200. Your time starts. Your time finish. Our answer is option A, which is 1800. Now solution. Square root of 3970 divided by 2.998 plus 5.098 multiplied by 268.99 plus 433.908 is equal to question mark. Then next step, 21 plus 1345 plus 434 is equal to question mark. Then we can get answer which is 1800, which is option A. Now our fifth and last question. 699.989 divided by 7.05 minus 4.998 multiplied by 17.96 plus 14.05 into 3.99 minus 12.09 is equal to question mark. Your options are option A 54, option B 62, option C 46, option D 44, option E 68. Your time starts. Your time finish. The answer is option A, which is 54. Now solution. 699.989 divided by 7.05 minus 4.998 multiplied by 17.96 plus 14.05 into 3.99 minus 12.09 is equal to question mark. Then we can write like 699.989 is equal to 7, like 700 divided by 7 minus 5 into 18 plus 14 into 4 minus 12 is equal to question mark. In the next step, 100 minus 90 plus 56 minus 12 is equal to question mark. Here all steps we are using BODMAS. And the final answer is 54, and 54 is option A. Like this, keep practicing the questions and try to answer all the questions. Thank you.